Hello guys, you're welcome. Today we are going to make soya beans milk. This is the soya beans that I've finished selecting it. So I'm going to wash it. Then after washing it, I'll soak it for about 3 hours. Soya beans is always very strong. It has tough skin. So I need to soak it for 3 hours before I'll rinse it again, then take it for blending, or if you have a good blender, you can blend it at home. Then after you blend it, I'll now sieve it. Sieve the soya beans, take out the chaff, then the milk, I'll now boil it. When it is boiling, I'll allow it to boil for 10 minutes, then I'll bring it down. When it is cold, I'll bottle it. So like this video, give a thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to this channel, subscribe so that you not miss any of our videos. Thank you. Yeah guys, the soya beans milk is ready, so we are going to package it now. It's cold, that is good enough to package. Put them into the bottle that you want to put them, then refrigerate it. Yeah guys, soya beans milk is ready, so we are going to package it. See you in my next video. Thank you.